Okay, I've got Tgideas hair dye cream in dark brown set. I'm not actually gonna apply it because I just covered my grays, but I will show you how it works. I think this is a genius product to use at home in between styling your hair or getting your hair dyed at a salon. So it comes with this tube. This will cover my whole head. I have thinner hair and it's shorter, but this is just for the roots, just dyeing all the side parts. I do have a little bit coming through right here. So this is what you do. It comes with this tube. It comes with the attachment here. As you can see, the product comes through these holes right here to be able to apply it onto the scalp like so. It lifts out the roots. As you can see, it becomes a very simple process. If I was actually, I don't want to waste it because I want to actually use it for my next in between. But it comes with this glove to protect your hand. Highly suggest using that for the roots. And then love this bib that comes with it to protect the clothes. You just tie it around. It's a one-time use. This is a one-time use. It's gonna get me through 6 weeks before my next. It'll push my appointment out 6 weeks, which is amazing. So it comes with everything you need, the glove, the bib, the nice attachment here. If you don't want to use the attachment, that's totally fine. You can actually undo it and just apply it with your fingers if you feel like you can get more in. This works sufficiently for my hair because it's thinner, as you can see here. But great product. I love it. You're gonna love it too.